I really don't want to give up, guys, because I feel like we're almost there. I feel like I... Do not leave. 260 people. I'm getting. I'm nervous. You're gonna get hurt. Okay. Listen, guys. The tree is a lot smaller than it looks. Guys, hang in there. This is gonna be. No, this is not. Oh my goodness. Okay. 1 hour later, it's good. Whoa, whoa, is he gonna? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, use that as a wedge. Let's go. How'd I forget the wedge? So now I need like something to hit it with. Guys, it's coming. Are you alone? What did you say? Bro, are you alone right now? Is the saw not actually penetrating the wood? No, is that a sun? Please watch it. Electric saw mine. 2 hours later, Joseph, take it easy.